Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम आरिफ मंसूरी है and I'm the host of the Mansoori Show, the show that is best described as मिलाऊंगा, बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा. Your link to everything Pakistani, straight from California, the Mansoori Show. नाज़रीन, आज हम आपको एक तकरीब की झलकियाँ दिखाएंगे. ये तकरीब डॉक्टर अशरफ कामदार और डॉक्टर बीना कामदार के घर पे मुनक़िद हुई और ये एक फंड रेजिंग की तकरीब थी जो कि कैलिफोर्निया के गवर्नर के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लेने वाले जॉन चैंग के लिए की गई. इसमें सबसे पहले तो हम आपको जॉन चैंग की तकरीर और उसके बाद फिर वहाँ पे हाज़रीन से हमारी गुफ्तगू सुनवाएंगे. आइए ये प्रोग्राम मुलाहिज़ा कीजिए. डॉक्टर्स बीना और अशरफ कामदार ने वॉलनट कैलिफोर्निया में वाक़या अपनी रिहाइशगाह पे कैलिफोर्निया गवर्नर की रेस में हिस्सा लेने वाले जनाब जॉन चैंग के लिए एक फंड रेजिंग तकरीब का एहतमाम किया. इस तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन और चाइनीज़ अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी के अफराद ने बढ़ चढ़ कर हिस्सा लिया. जॉन चैंग का ताल्लुक़ डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी से है और वो करंटली कैलिफोर्निया स्टेट के ट्रेजरर हैं. उससे कबल वो कैलिफोर्निया स्टेट कंट्रोलर भी रहे एंड प्रायर टू दैट ही सर्व्ड ऑन कैलिफोर्निया बोर्ड ऑफ इक्वलाइजेशन. जॉन चैंग के पेरेंट्स ताइवान से इमिग्रेट करके अमेरिका आए और वो न्यूयॉर्क में पैदा हुए और शिकागो में पले बढ़े. उनका कहना है कि वो गवर्नर का इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद मेक श्योर करेंगे कि तमाम कैलिफोर्नियंस कैन अचीव द अमेरिकन ड्रीम. I have with me Doctors Beena and Ashraf Kamdar, very prominent community members. Dr. Ashraf Kamdar has been very active in many organizations, and of course Dr. Beena Kamdar has been very active in COPA. Dr. Ashraf Kamdar was the president of MONA. And they held a great event at their home today, and that was the fundraiser for John Chang, who's running for governor of California. तो आइए इनसे पूछते हैं. सबसे पहले तो I would like to ask you what your thoughts are about John Chang running for the governor of California.
Assalamu alaikum. I've known John Chang for several years now. He was first the controller of California, and then he right now is treasurer of California. And the way he has turned the economy of California, he seems like a very good candidate. He's a very honest person, very hardworking person, and him being the governor will definitely take California to another level. So I'm all for him, and inshallah he'll win.
Dr. Ashraf Kamdar, John Chang has a very strong background in finance. Of course, he is currently the treasurer. Previously, he was the controller of California, and then prior to that, he was involved with the State Board of Equalization. So, what do you think his financial background, would it play a great role in if he becomes the governor?
John Chang, because of his financial background, I think he is a big asset to California because the California is the 6th largest economy in the world. So the number guy, and he knows how to manage the money, because in this economic world that we need all the money, because the federal with this circumstances nowadays, federal is threatening not to give the money to the states who are pro minorities and all that. So we need a person who can run the numbers correctly, and I think John Chang is the right person.
Dr. Beena Kamdar, मैं आपसे मालूम करना चाहूँगा कि John Chang, of course, is of Asian descent. So California has, a lot of different minorities. So what do you think his, being an Asian, would that play a role in his, campaign for governor?
Actually, that will help him for his campaign, because California is a huge Asian community, and he is very well known in his community. And for him being the controller and the treasurer tells us that he is the Californians, no matter what race they belong to, they trust him and they have their finances with him. So I don't think his ethnicity is going to be a negative, but it's going to be a positive factor for him.
Now, can you tell everybody how much you raised for the John Chang as for governor?
Let me tell you that we did pretty good today, and I think it will help a lot. So, Chang for governor.
Let me ask you this. Why did you choose, there are several candidates running for the governor of California. Why did you choose John Chang?
because John Chang, I talked to him. Number one is that he's a number guy. He knows how to control the money, how to disperse, and where to spend and where to cut. Second, he, being himself a minority, he knows that with the situation nowadays in our country, how and what difficulties we are going through. So he is for all the communities, regardless as a Chinese or Pakistani, Muslim, non-Muslim, Asian, non-Asian, black, whoever. He is pretty adamant about standing up for these communities, and I think this is the big plus.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are here for John, and he was our state controller, and he was, he is our treasurer because his position and because his faithfulness for California. Brown was able to balance the budget because of him, because he's the money guy. Yeah. So, and I also want to thank you, some of the leaders, John Chen, James, and many leaders. Jiang Xiansheng, Jiang. We have a lot of Chinese leaders here also. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, Dr. Bina.
Assalamualaikum everybody. And thank you so much for coming today and supporting and making this a wonderful evening. I had so many of my friends. First of all, I would like to thank Mary for giving us this opportunity and having to host all of you over here. And I sincerely thank John Chang to be here and coming in with us. I have a lot of people who have supported me. I have a lot of organization chairs who are here from the Pakistani community, and I would like to thank them all. I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Salim Adaya. Thank you so much. Mr. and Mrs. Sarva Javed, Nasir Javed, he was the president of COPA. He's also here. We have Dr. Rizvi here. We have Mr. and Mrs. Tayyib Baloch, who supported and hosted this event with me. Also Shabana from our MedPlus Pharmacy. She has always been very supportive for us. Also we have support from Mr. and Mrs. Bakali. They could not make it, but they sent their checks in already. Rahil and Zeenat Janda, they have always been supportive. And all my friends who are here, they have all been supportive, and I hope I'm not missing any of the Mr. and Mrs. Sikandar. They are also the hosts of this event today. And Mr. and Mrs. Abdul Ghani Maulvi. Mushtaq Patliwala, he is also the president of Mona. And he was also very generous in hosting this event. We have Azala Khan, Farad Zubair, and also Mr. Firoz Fakhri, who I don't think he was able to make it. And we also have Dr. Taif here. Thank you so much for coming. And Mr. Rashid Lehman, thank you all, everybody, each and everybody. I hope I have it. Yasmin and Zille Huma, thank you all.
Thank you.
Ali Sadat, who is the mayor of Artesia, thank you very much for coming.
That's why I'm about to introduce you. Mayor Ali, thank you for joining us. One more time, give me a round of applause. Thank you. And I would like to ask Lisa to join us to say a few words also. Lisa, please. Yeah. Lisa is one of our GoGo sponsors. Because of her effort, she wins a lot of programs here tonight.
It's a great honor to be here. Thank you, so many wonderful friends and the supporter. We're here to support John. John has been doing a great job in for the people in California, for Asian people here. So we want to support her to run for the governor of California. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for several members from Chinese era.
नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं डॉक्टर अशरफ कामदार और डॉक्टर बीना कामदार के घर पे मुनक़्क़िद होने वाली तकरीब, जो कि एक फंड रेजिंग तकरीब थी फॉर जॉन चैंग हु इज़ रनिंग फॉर द गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया। हमारे प्रोग्राम में वक्त हुआ अब एक छोटे से वक्फे का। प्लीज़ देखते रहिए, वी विल बी राइट बैक। नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं तकरीब की झलकियाँ। ये तकरीब डॉक्टर अशरफ और डॉक्टर बीना कामदार के घर पे मुनक़्क़िद हुई और दिस वाज द फंड रेजिंग इवेंट फॉर जॉन चैंग हु इज़ रनिंग फॉर द गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया। आइए इस रिपोर्ट का बक़िया हिस्सा मुलाज़ा फरमाइए।
But I think the purpose of tonight, you and I, we know that we need a governor that can make a difference for you, for me, for our generation, and for our children. And John is the one that can make the difference. So without further ado, please welcome our next governor, John King.
Well, good evening. First and most importantly, I want to begin by thanking each and every single one of you for taking time out of your hectic schedules to be here this evening. I want to begin by thanking Dr. Kamdar for opening up your magnificent residence. Anytime that you share a household, it's an extension of friendship and family, and I feel incredibly grateful that your extraordinary generosity has given me this opportunity. Just so that you have a sense of why I make those comments, my parents came to this country in the 1950s. They came separately. And so they left Taiwan at a very different generation. And so my dad came to this country with 3 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, with the idea that access to higher education and having that access to higher education would give him and his future family opportunities that he wouldn't have ever understood. And so when I was growing up in suburban Chicago, we were the first Asian family. And by the time we got to high school, there were 5 Asian families. So my parents are from Taiwan. There's Jennifer Ye, who's Chinese, Shabnam Banda Kuala's family, who's Indo-American, John Shin, who's Korean-American, and Brenda and David Sungar, who are Filipino. And so we faced a lot of discrimination. And so the generosity and kindness that you have afforded me and others tonight, I deeply appreciate it, because when you're growing up, oftentimes the doors are closed to you. They don't welcome you, right? And so your generosity, participating in the political process, more importantly, participating in the governance of America, shines great hope and aspiration for all of us, right? Because we're all trying to get to the same place. And we have to make sure that we win the battles, whether it's in local communities, and luckily you have great leadership, Mary, thank you Mary, or down in Artesia with my great friend Ali, to the state level in Sacramento, to Sacramento, to the White House and Capitol Hill. They have to understand that regardless of where you come from, whatever God you pray to, whatever heritage you come from, whatever parts of the world that you come from, you chose to come here and you chose to be Americans, right? And we are all part of something better and bigger. And we can't be something better and bigger unless we support each other and we have communities. So again, thank you so much. I appreciate all of this. And then Mary, thank you for your extraordinary leadership. Mary, time and again, just offers to bring together her friends. That's an incredible gift for me. I love people. That's one of the great blessings I have in public service. I get really excited when you see really good people achieving great things, and then you want to make sure that you pass it on to the next generation. And so that's why I feel extraordinarily fortunate to serve in my 19th year in public office. And for those of you who are not familiar, I'm the only person in California history who has served in all 3 finance offices for the state. So first at the Board of Equalization, and I know we've had a few conversations here tonight, I know taxes isn't incredibly popular, right? The Bob Zendejas has been a longtime friend from the Board of Equalization days. Bob is one of our top tax practitioners in the state of California. But we have to fund essential services, right? You have high-quality neighborhood in Walnut, right? It's a safe community, great schools, great job creation. That doesn't come without a price. But what I have to do, being in the financial offices, is to make sure that as taxpayers, you get optimal value for your taxpayer dollars. Want to make sure that we don't waste your dollars so that your kids can go to a great school, right? That you can have great libraries, that you can have great access to public services, that we can build better infrastructure in this state. So that's what I have in mind throughout my service for all of us in the state of California. So I was at the Board of Equalization, so I understand taxes for the state of California. Later on, some of you know I was your state controller. I was the state's chief fiscal officer. And as Mary alluded to, prior to the recession, we were the world's 8th largest economy. Then we had some very, very difficult times, and some of you saw that I got into some major political battles with my friends on both sides of the aisle, with both Republicans and Democrats. But what's important to note is that I stood up for all of you, right? I didn't do what all the people in Sacramento asked me to do. I wasn't a go-along elected official, right? When Governor Schwarzenegger signed a budget that was way out of balance, I took a big political risk to say that if they didn't change it, California would have incredible financial hardship. And it proved to be true because Governor Schwarzenegger, when he signed the legislature's budget, it was $15 billion off, right? And as I talked to some of you, right, then you said, hey, John, are we going to issue more IOUs, right? Those were the IOUs I issued. I got it, right? I issued 450,000 IOUs to the tune of $2.6 billion. And so you said, why do you do that? First of all, I did it because we didn't have any money, right? So you can't draw a warrant, right? That's a check, when there's no money. It's a felony if I did it. But more importantly, why I did it, because I didn't want California to see a financial collapse for its state government, right? You look at other places today, great countries like Greece that has difficult financial troubles. You look at Puerto Rico, their economy's tanking dramatically. I didn't want California to do that. So during that recession, we went down from 8th largest economy to the world's 12th largest economy, but because we have steadily improved our finances, today we're the world's 6th largest economy, right? I want to be the governor who gets us to the 5th largest economy, right? And it's not easy, right? It's not easy. Today we're a $2.46 trillion economy. The United Kingdom is $2.9 billion. So that's not an easy climb. But I understand that all of us and your success is critical to California's growth, right? What Washington, D.C. doesn't understand is you can't divide America and be successful, right? When they talk about putting up a wall with Mexico, Mexico is California's largest trading partner. You really want to put up a wall with America's largest trading partner? Canada's our 2nd largest trading partner. China's our 3rd largest trading partner. You can't impose tariffs of 45% on China without devastating the California economy. And just to show an example, this area, when you look at the numbers for Los Angeles, Long Beach, Glendale, 3 years ago, it was the 35th highest performing economy in the United States of America. 2 years ago, because of what was happening with the economy in China and other places in Asia, Japan, Korea, it fell to the world's 77th. Los Angeles, Glendale, Long Beach fell to the 77th highest performing region. The Asian economy has increased, and now it's back up to 48th. Right, so to say that we don't recognize the value of all of you and your work would be absolutely devastating.
I have Mary Sue with me, who is the Mayor Pro Tem of City of Walnut. She is a two-time Mayor of City of Walnut. So, Mary, I would like to ask you, what is your opinion, what are your thoughts on John Chiang running for Governor of California?
John is such a wonderful public servant. Rick, when he was a state controller, he helped so many companies, so many people. And now he is a state treasurer. He helped governor balance the budget and help a lot of California. So we need people like John. John is in the middle. He is not really right and he is not really left. That means he listens to both sides. He understands you and me, and he understands different sectors. He understands the union's need. He understands student education needs. He understands the private sector and business people's needs. So we need a governor like that able to help us to carry whatever our dream that we want to accomplish. John is a dreamer, but he made a lot of achievement in California. That's why the House of Speakers from California already endorsed him, because he feels the same way that so many leaders feel. He feels like, he feels so many cities mayor is endorsing John also, because he can carry and his action speak more than, he's not a talker, just speak whatever needs to be done. He has action and he did so many wonderful things for education for many companies, private sector. He tried to help many new business owners. He tried to help the minority.
And Marisu, he has a very strong financial background also. He is the treasurer right now. He was the controller of state of California.
Yes.
And before that, he was with the State Board of Equalization. So what do you think his financial background, how helpful would that be in him being governor?
Oh, that is A+ record. Because economic is the heart for the state, for the whole nation. So if you understand the financial better, of course you can smart enough to decide what will be good for our citizens in California. That will help California very well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
इस वक्त मेरे साथ डॉक्टर यास्मीन कासिम मौजूद हैं, जो कि बहुत प्रॉमिनेंट कम्युनिटी मेंबर हैं, HDF की प्रेसिडेंट हैं। उसके अलावा कई तंजीमों में बहुत फाल इनका किरदार है। आइए इनसे पूछते हैं कि आप ये बताइए कि जॉन चैंग जो हैं, उन्होंने अपना गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया के लिए ही इज रनिंग फॉर द इलेक्शन, आपकी उसके बारे में क्या राय है?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आज यहाँ मौजूद हूँ। डॉक्टर कामदार ने गवर्नर के लिए जॉन चैंग का फंडरेजर रखा है एंड रियली नाइस टू मीट हिम टुडे। आज एज आपको मालूम है कि जॉन चैंग जो है फॉर लास्ट 18-19 years being in the state of California is a treasurer right now, so he's a well experienced person and I think he will do much better for being a California governor. And while listening to him today, the aims, the objectives that he has in mind, it's really very good regarding education, the UC system. So he's talking about that he can work on that, plus the healthcare. These are very good ideas, and I think we should also support Mr. John Chiang for a governor.
तो मेरे साथ इस वक्त कुलसुम आफरीदी साहब मौजूद हैं, जो कि बहुत प्रॉमिनेंट कम्युनिटी मेंबर हैं। कुलसुम आफरीदी साहब, मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि जॉन चैंग के जो गवर्नर का इलेक्शन हो रहा है, उसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
मेरा ख्याल है कि वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग और वेरी ब्रेव, रियली गुड के लिए हमारे पाकिस्तान मेरा ख्याल है कि उनको आना चाहिए और हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए।
Talking about John is a great person and he's financially very good, and his financial background is very good. He knows a lot about the taxes and it's not good for California. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम सबीन बलोच है और ये हैं
जीनत जंगा।
और आज हम यहाँ बीना कामदार, अशरफ कामदार और बीना कामदार के खूबसूरत घर पे हैं। बहुत खूबसूरत व्यू है, लेकिन जो रीज़न है जिसकी वजह से हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ना सिर्फ स्टेट ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया के लिए लेकिन हम पाकिस्तानी एशियंस के लिए भी। जॉन चेंग जिनका बैकग्राउंड जो है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है फाइनेंशियल साइड में, ही विल बी ग्रेट फॉर अवर स्टेट। वो कंट्रोलर भी रह चुके हैं और इसके अलावा उन्होंने और भी डिफरेंट पोजीशंस ली हुई हैं स्टेट में। तो हम सब की ये ड्यूटी होती है एज अ पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कि हम उनको सपोर्ट करें और उनको जितना हम फाइनेंशियली जितने उनके फंड रेजर्स हम कर सकते हैं वो करें। सो अगेन थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर अशरफ एंड बीना कामदार फॉर हैविंग अस हियर। और इस सारे प्रोग्राम में हम लोगों को भी उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया एंड होपफुली ही विल बी ग्रेट फॉर आवर स्टेट एज वेल। थैंक यू।
My name's Heather Ren. I'm so supportive of John Chang because he has the understanding of each of the race of like Chinese and also the different kind of nationality. So I fully support him. And also he has a really great background of financial and also tax everything. So yes, I hope he can win. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, आपने डॉक्टर अशरफ कामदार और डॉक्टर बीना कामदार के घर पे होने वाली एक तकरीब के हवाले से हमारी रिपोर्ट मुलाज़ा फरमाई। ये तकरीब एक फंड रेजिंग तकरीब थी फॉर जॉन चैंग हु इज़ रनिंग फॉर द गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया। उम्मीद है ये रिपोर्ट आपको पसंद आई होगी। हमें अपने फ़ीडबैक से, अपनी आरा से आगाह करते रहिए। आपके स्क्रीन पे जो एड्रेस है उस पर हमें अपने फ़ीडबैक भेजते रहिए और हमारे प्रोग्राम की पिछली एपिसोड्स देखने के लिए प्लीज़ विज़िट pakistanlink.com/ARY। हमारे प्रोग्राम का वक्त अब ख़त्म हुआ। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।